Objective. I can describe the difference between an atom, a molecule, and a compound. Here are some examples with chemical symbols and also pictures. This first diagram shows an atom. If we were to model it, it would just be a single circle. If we were to look at its chemical symbol, it would either be one capital letter or one capital and one lowercase letter, indicating that it's just one type of atom from one type of element. If we wanted to show a molecule, we would have a diagram like this. We would have to have at least two atoms that are bonded together. A picture would show at least two circles that are touching to show they're bonded together. The chemical symbol might look something like this. The element is oxygen, but the subscript of 2 tells us that there's at least two of the same type of atom. So when there's at least two of the same type of atom, we call it a molecule. This last example is of a compound. This diagram shows a compound because there's at least two atoms bonded together, but there are at least two different types of atoms. So we have a red circle and then we have this off-white circle. Since there's at least two different types of atoms, it's called a compound. If we looked at the chemical formula, we would have two different capital letters indicating that we have two different types of elements. We could have a capital and a lowercase letter, that could be an element, or we could just have a capital letter. But as long as we have at least two capitals, we know that the formula is a compound.